Women Connect First is a charity established in 2001 to empower Black and ethnic minority women and their families. We provide different services and training sessions so that they gain skills for life and live independently. We use the ICF Capital grant for purchasing laptops and some tablets. That was to help women during the lockdown.
When pandemic started, as a volunteer, we were working 24/7 like NHS. People don't know English. They used to call us anytime and we used to help them on the phone. Then we started Zoom. And when we started Zoom, most of the ladies who used to come here, they didn't have computers and they never used computers.
Since I joined with Women Connect, I learned lots of things on computer.
In IT, I wanted to learn more because I don't know which button to press. I don't know. And the Women Connect lady who helped
taught me how to use Google to search for places, for how to do things, translating the meanings, the PowerPoint, Word.
Even cooking, I use those things as well.
Yeah.
Example, I want to knit a cardigan. I always use the YouTube and then I follow them.
Because teacher, on your left or right, which button to press. And I have to remember. I write it in paper. When a class finish, I rewrite, reread to what to do.
I love to learn on a computer online because these days everything on a computer.
There is a great progress in their lives as being independent. The older women, they are isolated because of their age, mobility, access, etc.
It takes me about an hour to come to Women Connect. So by Zoom, it's easier for me.
And learn lots of things on it because Zoom is there.
Sometimes if I'm there waiting, just I want to be in, you know. Where are you? I am here. I'm excited. Yeah, to be joined in the Zoom lesson with the computer.
These laptops are helping them to go online, socialize, meet others, join into links that we provide for them if they need any help or they need to join for a coffee.
And we can talk to each other, meet a friend, new friends on a...
Now they can fill their forms online, which they didn't know how to do that before. They can access their benefits online, which they needed help before.
I feel proud when I work with the computer. I'm doing something. When like I hear from others giving me the encouragement, I feel so proud of myself. I'm doing something with the computer.
If women would like to know more about our services at Women Connect First, they can visit our website, our social media, and we take a lot of new people as drop-ins, so everyone is welcome.